construction, huh?
They just started this not long ago. They finished something else and they start something, you know, they finish one thing and start.
Vegas ended up like, when I was in Arizona, I got there in 96. And by 2000, there were so many people that were having to redo the roads to accommodate the traffic. So same thing's happening here, I think. It's got everybody moving in.
Oh yeah, they're gonna have to do something about.
Get a mean sound
There's not much difference to me.
So have you done a summer yet?
Half a summer.
Half a
I
summer.
moved here like at the beginning of August.
Oh, that's not bad.
It got pretty warm. It got above 100.
You know, and it's not a bunch of. Everybody just says like, I can stand, but you know.
I like it. There's no humidity.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I like. Indiana.
You don't
I love it.
anything.
I mean, when you're from Louisiana, that's all you have.
Mm-hmm.
That'll shut off in a second. There's just sensors and exits through traffic.
Well, my man Blake, we appreciate the heck out of it.
Oh yeah, no worries. Pull up a tad bit more.
So then you got somebody that it'll show pop up and you can go pick them up close again?
Yeah, I can pick and choose, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you guys, nice talking
All right,
to you.
thank you.
Yep, you got it.
Good luck living in Vegas.
Hey, thank you very much.